Amazon.com, it's me, Beau coming to you today with a scarf. This is from Mio Marino, I think that's how it's pronounced. This is a men's scarf. Do you know how you can tell it's a man's scarf? There's no tassels on the end. Who wears tassels? Unless, of course, you're wearing a tactical schmog or something epic like that. Now, you can see Mio Marino because it's got the little leather tag right there. Extremely soft, extremely supple. One of the big things that came to mind for me when I took it out of the packaging, which by the way is quite nice, is it doesn't smell bad. Wow, I have absolutely purchased scarves before on Amazon, and you get them, you can tell they're from a Chinese factory. Now, this of course is made in China, which it says on the tag, made in PRC, which it took me quite a while to figure out what in the world is PRC? People's Republic China. So maybe they get away with, not saying made in China by making it sexy sounding by doing it PRC. But anyway, very versatile. You can do all sorts of fun things with this guy. My favorite way of wearing a scarf is the following. And I actually learned this in Cambodia. They love their scarves there. They're basically like these little multi-tools. So that's what I do. First of all, I'm getting ahead of myself. I have to actually explain what I'm doing. So you hold it like this, and you go behind you like this, and then cross behind you. And then there's still quite a bit of excess here. And so what they do in Cambodia is then they take it and they push it through the middle here, and then they pull it out like that. And so then you can kind of adjust it. Plus, the nice thing about wearing it like this is when there's some kind of sandstorm, or you're cold, or you're in Cambodia driving your little moped through Phnom Penh or Sva Rain, or as I was doing, hopping back and forth between the border of Vietnam and Cambodia, you can put the scarf up like this, and then when you kind of pull this, it sort of tightens it like so. Adjust it a little bit, and it stays up like that, so it's protecting, respiratory wise. I wouldn't necessarily use this to protect you from smog. But in a pinch, you can just pop it up like that and then pull it down like that. Isn't that a cool way of kind of wearing a scarf? As opposed to, the classic way of wearing the scarf is around like this, and then like this, and then this gets tangled in things, and then, you're gonna get decapitated or something. So check it out. As you can kind of tell, it's sort of, I would say, a loose knit. Is that what you would call it? Somewhat stretchy. It's got a little bit of give in there. Very, very well made. Absolutely worth the price on Amazon, and highly recommended. 5 out of 5 stars. So that's it. The Mio Marino. I don't know. It sounds Italian. Oh, these pretentious names. Mio Marino. There we go. 5 out of 5 stars. My name is Beau. Hopefully this is helpful in determining whether or not this scarf is right for you. Absolutely fantastic, in my own humble opinion. My name is Beau. Catch you later.